Good morning, students. We have already completed metal and alloys of ferrous material. Now, in this video, we will discuss about non-ferrous alloys. So, what is non-ferrous alloy? Alloys whose base metal is any other metal but not iron are known as non-ferrous alloys. Ferrous alloys are alloys of iron. The base metal is iron. But in this case, for non-ferrous alloys, the base metal is any other metal such as nickel, copper, aluminium, but not iron. Now we will discuss about composition, properties and usage of aluminium alloys. The most important alloy of aluminium is duralumin. Its composition is aluminium 95%, copper 4%, magnesium 0.5% and manganese 0.5%. So the properties are high tensile strength, light in weight, low corrosion resistant, can be age hardened. Uses: it is available in various forms like bars, tubes and sheets and used for highly stressed structural components. Duralumin sits with a thin film of aluminium on its surface. Its trade name is Alcad. This is used in aircraft industry because of light weight and high strength. Pure aluminium does not have high strength. So this alloy duralumin is used in aircraft industry. It is also used in automobile industries. It is used for surgical and orthopedics works for construction of instrument parts. Next alloy of aluminium, another alloy is Y alloy. Its composition is aluminium 93%, copper 4%, nickel 2% and magnesium 1%. Properties: high strength and hardness at elevated temperature. At high temperature, it keeps its strength and hardness. By quenching and age hardening, the alloy develops very good mechanical properties. Uses: used for piston, cylinder heads and crankcase of internal combustion engine. So this is all about aluminium alloys.